Welcome! In today's video, we're diving into a handy feature of the Roblox app, scanning QR codes. This function allows you to easily connect with friends or access specific content within Roblox just by scanning a code. Whether you're looking to follow someone or join a game quickly, scanning QR codes is a great way to enhance your Roblox experience. So, let's jump right into the steps. First, grab your Android device and open the Roblox app. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look towards the bottom right corner of your screen, and you'll see the More option. Tap on it to access additional features and settings within the app. After you tap More, you'll find various options. Look for and select Profile. This will take you to your personal profile page, where you can view your games and friends. Now, at the bottom left of your profile, you'll notice a QR code icon. Tap on this icon to proceed. Once you've tapped the QR code icon, you'll see a new interface with the option to scan a QR code. Look towards the top right corner of the screen, and you'll find the scan icon. Go ahead and tap that. Your camera will activate, allowing you to scan any QR code you come across. Position the QR code within the frame that appears on your screen, and the app will automatically recognize the code. In just a moment, you'll be connected to whatever the QR code leads you to, whether it's a friend's profile or a special game. And that's it. You've successfully scanned a QR code on Roblox. This feature makes it so much easier to connect with friends and explore new content without the hassle of typing in usernames or links. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tutorials.